Hey, thanks for visiting us this morning at arklatexhomepage.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Morses with your Tuesday forecast update. Starting out this morning, a lot like we saw yesterday, pretty mild temperatures and just a little bit of rainfall across the region, but you can see the current look at pinpoint Doppler this morning, watching just a little bit of rain off to our west. Moving out of the Dallas area, may see some scattered showers today. I would say that chance will be highest across East Texas and Oklahoma. I think for most of us, just another mostly cloudy day, and likely going to see a few thunderstorms return tonight and a very active weather pattern on the way for the next, let's say, 3 to 4 days here. So again, satellite radar this morning shows that frontal boundary still across Oklahoma and over towards portions of southern Missouri as well. Seeing a little bit of rain to the south of that front lifting across the region. Very just warm, humid, unstable air mass in place, so we will see some of those pop-up showers today. Won't be a whole lot of them, but you can see your temperatures. We haven't seen a morning like this in a long time, where we actually have quite a few locations in the low 70s here. So we're still at 70 in Texarkana, 72 in Shreveport. These are your temperatures as of 4 a.m. this morning. South wind about 5 to 10 miles per hour. It will turn into a breezy day today, as that south wind will be at about 15 to 20 miles per hour. So with a little bit of sunshine mixed in with that south wind, should see a lot of mid 80s across the region. About 84 in Shreveport, Natchitoches as high as 86, 82 in Texarkana, even north of I-30 into the low 80s. You can see again where we've tapped into the Pacific jet stream. We have the air moving in off the Gulf, so the atmosphere is ripe here for some rainfall, and the trigger for that rainfall, the dip in the jet stream that you see over the Four Corners region there, which will be nudging that front through the Arklatex as we move through the remainder of the upcoming week here. Again, today and tonight, this is mainly going to be tonight. We still have that marginal risk out as far south as the Texarkana area. Looks like high wind will be our primary severe weather threat with anything we do, so you can't completely rule out an isolated tornado or some large hail, but high wind will be the main threat for us today into tomorrow and also into Thursday. That's the outlook for Wednesday. We do have another round of storms on the way, mainly during the afternoon and evening, and then on Thursday we'll have that green or that marginal risk across much of the region. So several days of potential severe weather and what will likely be some heavy rainfall here. So Futurecast today just keeps most of the rain off to the west of the Arklatex. Notice some of that sunshine as well. Futurecast not showing those thunderstorms tonight. It actually takes it off to our north, but there is a chance those will move into those areas that you did see in the severe weather risk for your Wednesday. I think a lot of us starting out dry here have put the rain chance about 50-50 because a lot of it will be arriving a little bit later once we get into the evening. Late afternoon, evening, a rain chance pretty much at about 100% for most of these locations as you see that broken line of thunderstorms making its way through. Kind of weakens out as it does so. We'll get a little bit of a break here, but there you go. There's that front arriving as we move through the day on Thursday. So some additional showers and thunderstorms possible on your Thursday and likely continuing into your Friday. So you get the idea that we have several days of rainfall on the way, and Futurecast hinting at maybe some 4 to 6 inch totals. That's where that red would be between north of I-30 there, Texarkana, even getting in on the heavy rainfall. And just a reminder, all this that falls up here winds up in our water system, so our lakes and rivers are already running high, so potential that we will see some rises late this week into the weekend as far as the high water levels here. Also a flash flood threat just as far as those drainage areas and some of the poor drainage areas and also roadways in your neighborhood. So that is something we're going to be contending with, I think, Thursday morning, probably Friday morning as well. And you see the rain chances fairly high here for the remainder of the week, and a few rain chances lingering through your Saturday. May start to dry out late this weekend and into early next week.